friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Easy Maths. Hi friends, how are you now? Today I am once again before you by taking some more topics and some more examples for your curiosity. Now in my previous video I have discussed in details about what is the SN, sum to n terms of an arithmetic progression, whose the first term is A, common difference is D, and total number of terms are n. Then Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula to find the sum to n terms, or it can also be written as Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an, or it is also written as Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. A is the first term, an is the last term, sum of these two. Okay. Now here I have taken one example. 2, 7, 12, this is an AP. We have to find the sum to 10 terms. So I would like to give a very simple trick. I would consider it is a very good trick. What no? First you analyze a question and you try to understand what is being given and what is asked. And here what is given now? The first term is given. We just take it A is equal to 2. Okay. Then what is the next term? Next thing it is given. It is the common difference. And as we already earlier discussed about what is the common difference. The difference between the two consecutive terms. What are the consecutive terms? The second term minus first term, the third term minus second term, and the fifth term minus the fourth term, and so on. Similarly, here we find on the basis of that one D is equal to 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5. D is equal to 5. Now what are the total number of terms which is being asked to find the sum? It is 10. Then consider this is n is equal to 10. This is the three things given and we have to find the Sn. So Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So substitute what is given and known to you. Substitute what is given and what is known to you. Here n is known. I write 10 by 2. 2 into what is a? First term is 2. 2 into 2 plus n. N is what? 10. 10 minus 1. N minus 1. And what is D? The D is 5. Multiply with 5. Actually most of the students know, they are very well versed with the things that what is given and what to substitute. But where they exactly lagging behind? I feel that they are exactly lagging behind in this kind of mechanical calculations. What is mechanical calculation? What is given? See, for example, here the brackets are there, and those the students which you have, if you have learned well versed and if you learned well about the BODMAS rule, easily you can know that bracket of, first you simplify the bracket. 10 by 2, 2 2s are 4, plus bracket 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 into 5, it is 45. Okay, 10 by 2, 45 plus 4, it's a 49. Then 10 divided by 2, 2 1s are 2 5s are, that is equal to what? 5 9s are 45, 4 carry, 5 4s are 20 plus 4 24. So therefore S10 is equal to what? It is 245. Okay, I hope you understand well for these sums. Okay, alright. Okay children, now we have the another type of a problem. That in my previous problem I have taken 2, 7, 12. It is a rational, it is a whole number. Okay, now this is a decimal form I have taken. 0.6 comma 1.7 comma 2.8 up to 100 terms. We have to find the total sum of the total sum of the arithmetic progression. Now analyze it. A is equal to 0.6 and D is equal to 1.7 minus 0.6. What do we get? It is 1.1. The D is equal to what? 1.1. And what is N? N is equal to 100. Alright. And again I repeat the formula. I keep writing again and again so that it will be practiced for you. Then Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, substitute once again as I just told in my previous sum. What is being given, just you put one by one according to the formula. N is 100 divided by 2. 2 into what is A? A is 0.6, write it, plus n minus 1, 100 minus 1, multiplied, what is the difference? The difference is 1.1. Now, bracket close. If you want in the earlier step, you want to just simplify, you can simplify that. 2 1s are 2 50s are, alright. 2 into 0.6 is 1.2. 2 6s are 12. Here is one decimal is 1.2. Plus 99 into 1.1. That is 50. 1.2 plus 11 nines are 99. 9 carry. Alright. 11 nines are 99 plus 9, 108. Alright. Here is one decimal. It is 108.9. Now you add these two. What do you get? 108.9 plus 1.2. It is 11, it is 10, and it is 1. It is 110.1. 108.9 plus 1.2. 9 to 11, 10, 1, 1. Now this is equal to 50 into what it is? 110.1. 110.1. So there is a simple calculation. See that one. 110.1 can be written as, I am going to write this as 50 into 1101 by 10, because correct to one decimal, the place to one decimal is by 10, and this 0 and this 0 cancelled. Then what will be the remaining things? 5 multiplies 1101. 5 ones are, zeros are, 5 ones are, and 5 ones are. This is our sum, that the sum to 100 terms of this decimal arithmetic progression. Okay, I hope you understand this one. Okay friends, welcome back to my third sum. Remember that I have taken the 3 problems. This is the third one. In my 2 previous problem, one problem I have taken based on the whole numbers. That is, what are the sum? 2, 5, 7. This is based on the whole numbers. And my previous next sum was 0.6 and 1.7, and this is based on the decimal numbers. Now I have taken this as a rational number. 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, up to how many terms? Is 11 terms. Then what is A? A is equal to 1 by 15. What is A? A is our first term. Right. What is the difference? Here it is a rational. Being a rational, you have to find the difference in a very careful way. 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. Because they are not the whole numbers, so that we can subtract or make the difference easily. Here 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. You must and you ought to go for LCM. You ought to go for LCM. I would like to just recapitulate and just remind you my word method, that what are the tricks of finding the LCM of the two number. Does 12 divide 15? Does 12 divide 15? No, not at all. What is the number to be multiplied to 15 so that the 12 can divide? That only be the LCM. See, 2 divides 30, 12 does not divide, and it divides, just you multiply 3, 45, again 12 does not divide. You multiply 4, 60, 12 divides 60. Then we can say that the LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. Alright, I write 60 here. Now, 12 divides 60 how many times? 5 number of times. 12 5s are, multiply it to numerator, 5 ones are 5. 15 divides 16 is 4 number of times. 15 4s are, multiply that with 1, you get 4. Then 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 divided by 60. This is our common difference. We have taken little strain in finding the common difference for the rational numbers because they possess the denominator and we need to go for the LCM. Right. Now you come to the formula. What is the formula? Keep repeating and keep writing so that until and unless you complete your examination of the 10th standard students, please do not neglect ever, never any formula, whether it is an AP formula or other formulas which belong to the other topics. Now Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute what is given completely. How many terms? There are 11 terms. 11 divided by 2. 2 into what is the first term? 1 by 15. Alright. Plus 11 minus 1. And what is the difference? It is 1 divided by 60. Alright. Now again I told you, no, you are very intelligent enough in substituting. After substitution, now what is your next work? You need to just proceed in how to simplify that one. Okay, 11 by 2. There is no common factor between these two upper and lower number. You multiply 2 by 15. 2 ones are 2 by 15. Plus, this is 11 minus 1 is how much? It is 10 into 1 by 60. Okay, 10 into 1 by 60. There is a scope of division. Yes, 10 ones are, 10 six are. Okay, therefore 11 by 2, 2 by 15 plus what it is? 1 by 6. What it is? 1 by 6. And again I would say you that we got the LCM for 15 and 6. What do you do now? Here you take the 6 and 15 for the LCM. So does 6 divides 15? No, not at all. What the number to be multiplied 15 so that new product is divisible by 6. I am going to multiply with 2. 15 twos are what? 30. And does 6 divides 30? Absolutely, it divides 30. So what is the LCM? The LCM of 15 and 6 is what? 30. Now you write 11 by 2 and bracket it is 30. Now in 15 now, how many times does 30 goes? 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 15 twos are. Multiply that to the numerator part, 2 twos are 4. And in 6, how many times 30 goes? 6 ones are 6, 5s are 30. Multiply that with the 5. So 1 5s are 5, which is equal to 11 by 2, alright, into 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 divided by 30. Here we find that 11 and 2, they both are upper and lower form of P by Q is a prime number. And here these two are composite number, upper and lower form. You can just multiply 3 3s are, 3 10s are. 3 3s are 9, 3 10s are 30. So 11 3s are 33 and 2 10s are 20. So our answer for this given rational arithmetic progression is 11 terms. Sum to 11 terms of this AP is 33 by 20. Did you understand? Okay. Okay friends, once again welcome back. Do you find this problem? Can you see this one? This is a problem based on the AP only. Okay, here you see that it is a semicircular form which is being given in the spiral way. Okay, this is the L1 is the first semicircle, L2 is another semicircle, L3 is a third semicircle, and L4 is the fourth semicircle. Sorry, L4 is the fourth semicircle. Okay friends, see that we have to find the total length of the semicircle which is up to the 13. L1, L2, L3, L4. So what is that? L13. We have to find what is the total length covered by or insulated by these 13 semicircle, and we have to find that length. Let's know that what is this? Is it in AP? Yes. 0.5, 1.0, 1.5, 2.0. So what is the first term? The first term is 0.5. What is the difference between these two? The difference between these two is also 0.5. 1 minus 0.5 or 0.5 is 0.5. And 1.5 minus 1 is, again it is 0.5. Now actually This semicircle, no, they are having the radius, that is R1, and this is an R2, and this is an R3, and so on. So we know that what is the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, see here. Perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. Semicircle means we have to divide with 2. Then what will be the perimeter of a semicircle? Which is pi r. Right. Here, the AP is in the form of the radius. This is R1, R2, R3, and R4. So we write like this: pi R1, pi R2, pi R3. Okay. Pi into 0.5. Alright. The first term of an AP is pi into 0.5. Pi into 1. Then pi into 1.5. Pi into 2. Pi into 0.5. 0.5 can be written as 1 by 2. Pi into 1 by 2. Similarly, it is a pi. So pi into 3 by 2, and this is pi into 2. Okay, now I am going to write like this. Just it is pi by 2, it is pi, it is 3 pi by 2, and it is just 2 pi. Right. This is the way that how we have just calculated the terms of an AP. Now according to that, what will be the first term? The first term will be A is equal to pi by 2. Alright. And D is equal to, again it is what? The difference between pi minus pi by 2 is pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 minus pi is pi by 2. And D is also pi by 2. Alright. D is pi by 2. Then how many terms are there? There are 13 semicircles. So n is equal to what? 11. Right? Write the formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Just now you write what is the given things are there. S11 is equal, S13 is equal to 13 by 2. 2 into pi by 2 plus 13 minus 1 into pi by 2. This is the terms. Alright. Now 13 by 2. This is 2 ones are 2 ones are pi plus 13 minus 1 is how much? 12 into pi by 2. Alright. This is 13 by 2 pi plus 2 ones are 2 6 are 6 pi. Alright. Now this is equal to 13 by 2 into 7 pi. 13 by 2 into 7 pi. This is equal to 13 by 2 into 7 multiplies 22 by 7. What is 22 by 7? As we know, the value of pi is how much? 22 by 7. Therefore, 7 cancel. 2 ones are 2 11s are. Children, just take a note of this one. 13 by 2, this is pi plus 2 ones are 2 6 are 6 pi. 6 pi plus pi is how much? 7 pi. 13 by 2 into 7 pi. 13 by 2, 7 into pi is 22 by 7. This 7 cancel. This 2 ones are 2 11s are. Then what is product? 11 3s are 33. 3 carries 11 ones are 11 plus 3 14. 143 is the 43 meter of this, the total semicircle. So children and my friends and my colleagues, everybody whosoever may be watching this, please do subscribe. Don't forget to just subscribe, and you just share with your friends, viewers, and you share with your friends and your everybody, those who you know that one. Please just make use of these problems, and children's particularly it is a sincere instruction for you that you keep practicing and you get a good achievement for this one. Goodbye. Thank you.